if you're new here, welcome. If you like what you see and haven't subscribed already, you know that's a big deal for us people here on YouTube. So please take a moment to subscribe if you have not done it. I really appreciate it. Before I get on to what's here, I've got an announcement. So y'all know that my Sunshine's Original account on Instagram was hacked. So far, I have not been able to get it back. I've kind of given up. So I took my main account that I created before Sunshine's Original, and I just changed that to my business account today. I would appreciate you please following me. You can unfollow the other page, I guess. But anyway, I will put the name of, it's Sunshine's Original, but it's a little different than my other one. Well, actually, it's just all one word, Sunshine's Original. That's right. I had thought about putting a dot between it, but I ended up not doing that. It's upsetting. It is. I worked really hard on that. You know, I mean, it happens. And hopefully it won't again, you know. Y'all be careful out there like that. Anyway, on to this. So I showed y'all these papers, Honey Flower by BLEDS from Amazon. I showed y'all these, I think it was sometime in July. I had told the company that makes these BLEDS or distributes these, I don't know if they make them, but I told them that I would do an honest review for them and put it on Amazon. And I did review those at that time, but I wanted to make something with them, see how well they held up under some staining, dyeing, and give y'all a look. And I just thought they were adorable. So this is what I did here. I did tea dye every one of the pages, and you'll see that when I open it up. Of course, y'all know I've got to shabby it up, and this front page has lemons and bumblebees. I added a cute little bumblebee here. I did want it to close very flat because I thought it would be perfect like in a folio or someone's pocketbook or in a little junk drawer or something for you to get out real quick and take some notes. So I added this Velcro closure. Come on, there we go. That Velcro is strong and that didn't want to let go. Good, I guess, but I didn't think it was that strong. Anyway, I've got a little dangle up here, a crown, and a lemon. I love lemons, y'all. Love them. Some sparklies, some flowers. And so what I did was, instead of sewing in a signature, I tied one in. But it is glued, so everything is stable. It will not move. So I want to show y'all the tea dyeing. You know what? I didn't even smell them. Now, I dyed it with caramel tea, but I don't smell the caramel. As y'all can see, it dyed beautifully. And the pages held up. They feel like they did before I dyed them. Extremely sturdy. These seem like really, really good quality paper. And I'm very happy with them. So, I mean, and you know, and that's it for that little journal. Isn't that adorable? I think it's so cute. I was just so happy with how that turned out. All right, Marie, get the lemon around there. There we go. There we go. I think it's just adorable. Okay, I want y'all to look at my other one. Same concept, just decorated a little differently. So over this piece of Velcro, I've got this flower. And over here, I've made this dangle. I wanted it to kind of be boho shabby to match this front with some cornflowers, daisies, butterflies, ladybugs. Got a bow and applique, more applique here. Little honeycomb, another applique here. I didn't realize I had that many appliques. A few little charms. And yeah, I mean, it held up really well. I am super happy with it. That's so pretty. I love that page. Anyway, I just wanted to drop in, do this video for BLEDS, and you know, to show y'all what I created with it, since I told y'all that I would do that. and y'all go by their Amazon store and, you know, just see what all they have. That they have a lot more than just this, but honestly, I just don't think that you can get any more adorable than these for sure. And y'all go follow me on Instagram. I would really, really appreciate the support. Right now, yeah, not much is there. I haven't used that account in years. You know, and I've posted a couple things with not much interaction. My daughter liked the post. So. But anyway, it got to start somewhere, right? Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.